First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, if it's not high water that's blocking the roadways or making travel hazardous, it's a little bit of ice, some black ice, and then that dusting of snow that we received yesterday afternoon. And we're still seeing snow on First Alert Live Doppler radar at this hour. They're light snow showers, but just enough to be a nuisance and to cause hazardous travel conditions this morning all across south central Kentucky. And to add to the punch, temperatures are about 10 degrees colder than they were yesterday morning. We're at 23 degrees right now in Bowling Green. Well, let's show you temperatures now. According to the Kentucky Mesonet Network, in some locations off to the north and west of us where there has been the snowpack that did not melt from Sunday's storm that's still there, and then you had the ice on top of it, plus the snow. Temperatures are much colder in the upper teens at this hour. And then you see where it mainly rained during the day on Sunday and into early Monday. And now we've got the snow on top of that. Temperatures are mainly in the 20s out to the east. Winds are coming out of the north at 10 to 15 miles per hour, which is producing wind chill factors in the teens this morning. So if you do have to be out, dress warmly, as it does feel much colder than it has the last few mornings. Here's a look from the Green River Lake. That's our hometown forecast pinpoint for today. You're only going to make it up to 25 for Campbellsville, 26 for Greensburg, 24 for Columbia. And keep in mind that there are a lot of slick spots around the area. You didn't get as much snow, but you're getting some snow showers now. And with temperatures below freezing and not making it above freezing today, that's going to keep the snow sticking to the ground and the surfaces and making for some icy spots. By the way, there was no winner of the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot last night, so the Saturday night jackpot now jumps to an estimated $247 million. And the next Mega Millions drawing, now an estimated $107 million. Here is a view down Scottsville Road, still seeing that dusting of snow right around US 231 and down to I-65. The treated roads are okay. It's the untreated roads and back roads, side streets, where you're going to have some difficulty driving this morning with some patchy black ice and that snow on top of it. 23, the current temperature. 16 is what it feels like with a north-northwest wind coming in at 5 miles an hour. We take a tour of some of our AAA Systems weather cams. You can see the snow around the Barron County Courthouse from Glasgow. Their temperature at 24. It's 22 in Franklin around the Simpson County Courthouse, a light dusting of snow there. And of course in Litchfield, you still have leftovers from Sunday's storm. You're at 20 degrees plus ice, then snow on top of that. So anywhere in Grayson County, it's a rough go this morning. 23 at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour. Teens in single digits off to the north and west of us, and a huge drop in temperature over the last 24 hours. We're now 10 degrees colder than we were yesterday at this hour. Lots of upper level energy just kind of swinging through the Ohio River Valley, and then you see some snow trying to sneak in places like Oklahoma City, Dallas, Fort Worth, Little Rock, all reporting some light snow flurries back to the south and west. That southern stream still energized out of the Gulf of Mexico. And we're getting some of the cloud cover offshooting of that, leftovers from the storm that brought all the wintry weather yesterday. It's going to be hard to clear these clouds out. In fact, I don't see that really happening today, even though high pressure is going to take over the next 24 hours. Now, as it gets a little bit closer to us tonight, even though we're going to have a lot of clouds around, it's going to help those temperatures dive into the teens for overnight lows tonight, and then not recover that much tomorrow, staying pretty much in the mid-20s, but at least it will be quiet weather. A lot of these flurries should be out of here later today. Mostly cloudy and cold with an occasional flurry, but no additional accumulation expected. A high of 27, but down to 13 for an overnight low tonight. Back only to 27 tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds. We will try to warm it up to 36 on Saturday. Look for a morning snow shower there, then partly cloudy. 31 Sunday with a slight flurry there, mainly during the afternoon. Monday, 28 and partly sunny. The storm we're keeping an eye on is the one coming in for the middle of next week. That one could prove to be a tricky one, just like this last one was. It could be rain, could be snow, or it could be a mixed bag. Like